Convert a Unixtime to a datetime object and back again, pair of time conversion functions that are inverses. I'm trying to write a pair of functions, dt and ut, that convert back and forth between normal Unix time, seconds since January 1, 1970 0 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated, and a Python datetime object. If dt and ut were proper inverses, then this code would print the same timestamp twice. Alas, the second timestamp is 3,600 seconds, an hour, less than the first. I think this only happens for very particular Unix times, maybe during that hour that daylight savings time skips over. But is there a way to write dt and ut so they're true inverses of each other? Related question, making Matplotlib's date2 number and number2 date perfect inverses.
You are correct that this behavior is related to daylight savings time. The easiest way to avoid this is to ensure you use a time zone without daylight savings. UTC makes the most sense here. Datetime.datetime.uk and calendar.timem deal with UTC times and are exact inverses. Here is a bit of explanation behind why datetime.datetime.fromTimestamp has an issue with daylight savings time from the docs. Return the local date and time corresponding to the POSIX timestamp, such as is returned by time.time. If optional argument tz is none or not specified, the timestamp is converted to the platform's local date and time, and the return datetime object is naive. The important part here is that you get a naive datetime.datetime object, which means there is no time zone, or daylight savings, information as a part of the object. This means that multiple distinct timestamps can map to the same datetime.datetime object when using fromTimestamp, if you happen to pick times that fall during the daylight savings time rollback.
The future